It's really meant to be sort of an extra help session where students can come. It's a very collaborative work environment.
So it's your peers helping you master core subjects that will help you out.
Like the sessions are run by students who have taken the courses before, so they definitely have had the professors who are teaching the current session.
They've been there, they've taken the course, they know what's tricky, what's not tricky, what the common mistakes are, because they likely have made those same mistakes.
There's small classes, usually about 5 to 10 students at most.
Even during, the hour and 50-minute session that I have, people can go from not understanding a subject or just barely understanding a subject to actually being quite proficient in it.
It was just very nice to be in these settings to, be like, oh wow, and then take it to an exam and not feel the same stress as I would before I was taking an AEW in this class.
I immediately started doing way better in math. My confidence level went up.
It's just a really great feeling going from struggling on the first exam to killing the second exam.
AEW definitely opens up communication, it definitely opens up just a path for academic success.